Hi everyone. Many of us don't do gardening to live. That means we have other jobs to do. Those occupy a lot of time. And we do gardening because we love to grow food and it's our hobby to work in the garden. So I wanted to share top 5 tips that I use to manage the work-life balance because it is very important to spend time in the garden, to not get late to sow seeds, replant them, and during hot summers, it is very important to water the plants on time if we don't have drip irrigation. And these 5 tips are going to, change the way you work, and I hope that these tips are really going to help you to find a balance between work and gardening. Number one, start small. Start with a few vegetables and flowers in containers to get motivation by easily managing them. Expand by a little each season, which will make you evolve over the period of time to work in the garden. Number two, do a little each day. Some people don't want to take unplanned work. They need a planning before performing a bunch of tasks as a project, which is not required in gardening. Just do small things every single day would make a huge difference over the period of time. Number three, don't postpone. I have seen people postponing things for weekends, which only make the work pile and delay important things like sowing seeds, replanting, harvesting, etc. So instead of postponing, just quickly go to the garden and do things like replant the seedlings before it is too late. Number four, use breaks between work. If you are working from home, use time between meetings to quickly chime into the garden and water the plants, sow seeds, etc., which will reward you unexpectedly. Also, a few minutes break after your lunch to walk in the garden for observing things, etc. I take a quick glance on each plant every single day. And finally, number five, take family members' help. So our family members are best partner in our crime. So take their help for the work that we cannot do by our own, and also take help from kids to do weeds and all. That's going to give a lot of fun to us while we are getting some help from them. Getting some help from family members wouldn't hurt. Moreover, that's the best way to teach kids discipline and hard work. So we all know the saying that where there is a will, there is a way. We all will find our own techniques to manage the work and gardening if we are doing a full-size garden like this. But hoping that these 5 tips are going to give you a lot of help to begin the gardening. Please comment and let me know if you get benefited with these, and also share more tips that you are using to manage your garden. Thank you for watching, friends. I'll see you in the next video.